Are you struggling with high triglycerides, even after trying every diet, supplement, or lifestyle change you can think of? Triglycerides are often overlooked in favor of cholesterol, but they play a massive role in heart health. Elevated levels are linked to increased risks of heart disease, stroke, and even fatty liver. And here's something you may not know. What if the secret to lowering triglycerides wasn't a medication or a superfood, but something you've likely never considered? In today's video, we'll uncover this unexpected natural remedy that could transform your triglyceride levels and improve your overall health. Welcome to Levitas. This powerful natural remedy is packed with bioactive compounds that specifically target triglyceride levels in the blood. The first is flavonoids, which act as potent antioxidants. Flavonoids help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, two key contributors to cell damage and elevated triglycerides. By neutralizing free radicals and calming inflammatory pathways, they allow your body to metabolize fats more efficiently. Next, we have polyphenols, which work to enhance lipid metabolism. These compounds stimulate the breakdown of triglycerides in the bloodstream, preventing their accumulation in fat tissue and arterial walls. They also support liver function, aiding in the conversion of triglycerides into energy rather than storage. Another critical compound is saponins, which have been shown to improve lipid profiles by reducing fat absorption in the intestine. Saponins bind to dietary fats, limiting their entry into the bloodstream and subsequently lowering triglyceride levels. Finally, the leaves contain alkaloids, which help regulate blood sugar and insulin levels. Since high blood sugar is linked to elevated triglycerides, this compound's role in stabilizing glucose can indirectly help keep your triglycerides in check. Is this remedy safe for long-term use? Yes, this natural remedy is very safe for long-term use, as long as it's consumed in moderation. It has been traditionally used in herbal medicine for centuries, with minimal reports of adverse effects. The key is balance. While the compounds are beneficial, excessive consumption could potentially lead to gastrointestinal discomfort or minor changes in liver enzyme activity. However, when taken in appropriate amounts, this remedy is not only safe but also a sustainable way to manage triglyceride levels over time. As always, consult with your healthcare professional if you have underlying conditions or if you are under medication. Does it offer other benefits beyond triglyceride control? Absolutely. While its primary claim to fame may be triglyceride control, this natural remedy offers a range of additional health benefits. One of its standout features is its anti-inflammatory properties, which extend beyond lipid metabolism to support joint health and reduce chronic pain caused by inflammation. It's also a fantastic aid for blood sugar regulation. By improving insulin sensitivity, this remedy helps stabilize blood glucose levels, which can be a game changer for individuals with prediabetes or type 2 diabetes. Another benefit is its role in boosting cardiovascular health. Not only does it help lower triglycerides, but it also contributes to reducing LDL, the bad cholesterol, and improving HDL, the good cholesterol, creating a healthier lipid profile overall. This can significantly reduce the risk of atherosclerosis, heart attacks, and strokes. Additionally, it promotes liver health. The liver plays a crucial role in managing triglycerides, and this remedy's hepatoprotective compounds help detoxify and rejuvenate the liver, enhancing its ability to process fats efficiently. Lastly, its antioxidant content supports overall cellular health, reducing the risk of oxidative stress-related diseases such as cancer, neurodegenerative disorders, and premature aging. How to consume for the best results? To maximize the triglyceride-lowering effects of this natural remedy, it's essential to consume it correctly. The most effective way is to prepare a tea or infusion. Simply take 3 to 5 fresh or dried leaves, rinse them thoroughly, and boil them in 2 cups of water for 10 to 15 minutes. Allow the tea to steep, then strain and drink it warm. Consuming this tea twice a day, once in the morning and once in the evening, provides optimal results. For those who prefer a different approach, the leaves can be crushed into a powder and added to smoothies, soups, or salads. Aim for about 1 to 2 teaspoons of powdered leaves per day. It's best to consume this remedy on an empty stomach or between meals to enhance absorption and efficacy. Pairing it with a healthy fat source, such as avocados or extra virgin olive oil, can further improve the bioavailability of its active compounds. Consistency is key. Incorporating this remedy into your daily routine for at least 6 to 8 weeks can lead to noticeable improvements in triglyceride levels, liver function, and overall metabolic health. What is the unexpected natural remedy? The secret weapon for naturally lowering high triglycerides is avocado leaves. While the avocado fruit gets most of the attention, its leaves are a hidden gem packed with health-boosting compounds. Rich in flavonoids, polyphenols, saponins, and alkaloids, avocado leaves target the root causes of high triglycerides, reducing inflammation, enhancing lipid metabolism, and supporting liver function. This unexpected yet effective remedy is a staple in traditional medicine and is now gaining recognition for its powerful impact on cardiovascular and metabolic health. Are fresh leaves better than dried ones? When it comes to avocado leaves, both fresh and dried versions offer health benefits, but they differ slightly in potency and convenience. Fresh leaves tend to have a higher concentration of certain volatile compounds, such as essential oils, which contribute to their anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. This makes fresh leaves slightly more potent in terms of immediate therapeutic benefits. However, dried leaves have their own advantages. Drying concentrates other compounds, such as flavonoids and polyphenols, making them more shelf-stable and easier to store for long-term use. Dried leaves are also more convenient for making teas and powders, as they don't require frequent trips to source fresh leaves. If you have access to fresh leaves, they are ideal for making infusions and teas when immediate potency is desired. On the other hand, dried leaves are a practical option for daily use and provide consistent benefits over time. To get the best of both worlds, you can alternate between fresh and dried leaves depending on availability and your specific health goals. Can avocado leaves complement other lipid-lowering remedies? Yes, avocado leaves can complement other lipid-lowering remedies, creating a synergistic effect for optimal heart health. One excellent pairing is with omega-3 fatty acids found in fish oil or flaxseed oil. Omega-3s reduce triglyceride synthesis in the liver, while avocado leaves enhance triglyceride breakdown, making them a powerful combination. Another effective pairing is with garlic, known for its cholesterol-lowering and anti-inflammatory properties. Combining garlic with avocado leaf tea can amplify cardiovascular benefits and further reduce triglyceride levels. Green tea is also a very effective natural ally. Its catechins support fat metabolism and work well alongside the polyphenols in avocado leaves to enhance lipid control and boost metabolism. Lastly, consider pairing avocado leaves with fiber-rich foods like psyllium husk. Fiber binds to dietary fats and cholesterol, preventing their absorption. Together, they promote a healthier lipid profile and improve digestion. For best results, incorporate these combinations into a balanced food plan and healthy lifestyle, ensuring that each remedy complements the others without causing interactions. In conclusion, avocado leaves are a powerful and unexpected ally in managing high triglycerides, thanks to their rich content of bioactive compounds. Flavonoids combat oxidative stress and inflammation, two major contributors to elevated triglycerides. Polyphenols enhance lipid metabolism, breaking down triglycerides in the bloodstream and supporting liver function to convert fats into energy. Saponins further aid by reducing fat absorption in the intestine, while alkaloids help regulate blood sugar and insulin levels, indirectly lowering triglycerides. One of the most appealing aspects of avocado leaves is their safety for long-term use when consumed in moderation. Beyond triglyceride control, they offer additional benefits such as anti-inflammatory effects for joint health, improved insulin sensitivity for better blood sugar management, and enhanced cardiovascular health by balancing LDL and HDL cholesterol. They also support liver detoxification and provide antioxidants that protect against cellular damage and aging. To achieve optimal results, avocado leaf tea, made by boiling 3 to 5 leaves, is a simple and effective method. Consuming it twice daily on an empty stomach enhances absorption. Whether fresh or dried, avocado leaves can be seamlessly integrated into a lipid-lowering regimen, especially when paired with omega-3s, garlic, green tea, or fiber-rich foods for maximum cardiovascular benefits. Thank you for tuning in to Levitas. Please share today's video with friends and family, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos. Your support is appreciated. It helps us grow and create more content to empower your health. Remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice on your health and fitness journey. So stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.